Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude back with another Jurassic review. So today we'll be looking at the Jurassic World Dinorivals Dimetrodon, which was a pretty rare figure back in the day. It's very sought after because it's Dimetrodon. It was supposed to be released in the first Destructosaurs lineup in the color red, but sadly it never made the cut. So it wasn't released, and then when Dinorivals rolled around, they released this kind of movie-colored Dimetrodon. So like the taxidermy models in Lockwood's Manor kind of shares resemblance to those in color. And besides that fact, they decided to release it as a Savage Strike, so it comes with the ability to chomp. You pull the tail side to side, and its mouth opens and closes. They did a great job on the head sculpt. The sloping roundness, the kind of ovaloid shape of it really screams Dimetrodon. And they gave it some very nice tones on the body where you could see the ribs, the muscles, and this very cool kind of sail protrusions from the tail, which is nice. So overall, it's an amazing figure. It's got that bluish gray color with some whitey brown coating the top. And the bottom's this kind of lime greenish yellow color. Oh, and here's a scan code. Oh, so let's get that in. There we go. What's really cool about it, though, is it's not a dinosaur. It's a mammal-like reptile from the Permian. So that's before the dinosaurs, around 300 million years ago. And Jurassic Park actually released a Kenner version in their first series in 1993 with a similar action, but instead you squeeze the back leg and the jaws open and close. And it's cool that they released it in the Jurassic World lineup as well. They also released some other Permian creatures like Lycanops and what were they? Scutosaurus and I think Edminchosuchus in the Lost World, which they're actually releasing Scutosaurus again in Jurassic World's newest 2020 lineup. So that one's pretty cool. It's got a kind of purpley paint job, a darkish magenta, I believe, with some purple lines. So that'll be a pretty cool addition with the Dimetrodon. And maybe sometime in the future we'll see Lycanops being released. So this figure actually scales up well to humans. So that's the size compared to Mattel's normal basic humans. And it's around the same size as the original Kenner, just a little bit smaller with the sail. And it's got a lot more bulk to it. The Kenner one's pretty thin in comparison. It's got a very menacing front-facing view. What I found quite interesting about the release of this figure, from what I know it's been released in the States, and I was able to score it at Walmart here in Canada, British Columbia, which was quite odd because I've never seen a lot of these like Savage Strike figures. Usually we get stuff like the plesiosaurus and the new stuff like Proceratosaurus and the pachycephalosaurus, but this was an oddity to find it because I've never seen it before until that one instance, and I never seen it again. So I'm guessing it was a limited release to Canada as well as the States, or just a rare figure. But I was hoping to find more to possibly do a repaint for the Destructosaurus. But I never got a chance to get another one, but that's okay. I still was able to score one and not, buy it off eBay for crazy prices. So yeah, I hope you guys like the review. Hopefully I'll be getting around to the Kenner figures soon. I was hoping to do it in order from the newest figures to the oldest figures, but I think I might just do it at random now. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.